everybody, and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today I have a box that is in a brown cardboard box instead of what it should be. This is actually my Boxy Premium for the month of July, of which there are only a few days left as of this filming. So by the time you're watching this, it's going to be well into August. But it came in a regular, like, brown cardboard box instead of the normal BoxyCharm, like, packaging. So I was really confused when I got it because I'd gotten some add-ons and I was like, oh, did they send me another set of them? But no, it's my BoxyCharm Premium. I only knew that by digging it open earlier today. So let's get into it because I already saw some of it and I really want to get into it. Okay, Boxy Premium is $35 a month and it comes with 6 or 7 products. I think it's 6 or 7. If you hear anything in the background right now, that is just my cat. She is eating her dinner, I guess, right now. Whatever. Okay, so here's the card. It is Sunshine is the actual theme today. So I will put this over here and I'll read that later. Okay, the first thing in here, it's upside down, but I do know what it is. It is the Morphe X Manny MUA Glam Palette. Now, true story, I own nothing from Morphe, because I don't really... Morphe's not a company I want to support with my money. However, if I'm getting it in a subscription box, I mean, I supported BoxyCharm with my money, so I guess there's that. I don't know. It's kind of a weird gray area there. I don't know. Here's the palette itself. I'm not actually sure when this palette is even from, because I don't keep up with Morphe. I have no idea. So it is an eyeshadow and a highlight palette. So here is what the inside looks like. Got 12 eyeshadow colors and 2 highlights. Let's swatch some of these and see what they look like. Oh, most of them are actually zodiac names. We've got Scorpio, Leo, Cancer. So I've swatched it. I wasn't super thrilled with the mattes. I'll show you. So here are the 4 swatches I did. These 2 in the top are shimmer shades, and then the 2 down here, well, you can't even see that one barely, is a matte shade. And this color here came out a lot lighter than in the pan. Let me show you it in the pan. It's this like pinky color here. And it came out a lot paler. The one next to it is actually Aries, which is a duochrome, and so it actually looks much more brown. Same with Leo. So they're okay. I mean, I'll try them out. I like I said, I've never used anything from Morphe, so I can't really tell you. And then on the back of my hands, if I can get them to show up in light, we have Apollo and Nova, which is that. Apollo's the top one here, and Nova's the bottom one, which are highlighters. They look pretty nice. I do really like the packaging with the kind of like marbly water effect, but I don't know. It's fine. Again, any sounds you hear, it's just my cat, and I don't know what she's doing. It's fine. Moving on. It's a really weird thing to be in this box. It's much deeper than the normal BoxyCharm boxes. Well, I have another palette of some kind from Kenya Ontiveros Beauty. It says Blush and Shine Kit. Okay. It's stuck in the bubble wrap. Okay. Let me put this off real quick. Here's the palette itself, the outside of it, and it says, universally flattering blush and highlight powders are combined in one palette to create flawless cheek looks. This kit includes 3 highlights to enhance your cheekbones and 3 perfectly matched blushes. Let's get that open. Okay. The outside of it is kind of got this pattern to it. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like a bubble pattern. And here we are. There's no mirror in here. There are the 6 highlights on the and blushes. So 3 highlight on the top and 3 blushes down there. And that one blush is very orange. Oh, that's too bad. The very orange blush is Gemini. I'm a Gemini, so that would actually be nice if it worked, but oh, these guys some pretty good. Okay, my 3 highlights are on the back of my hand here. We'll go like this. So from top to bottom, from what you guys see, they are Shine, Camera, and then Lights is this pink one that you can actually, Lights is the top one. You can barely see it though, because it's a very light pink. The other ones are kind of dark, but I think I can deal with it. Okay, let's try these blushes. Oh my god, this one is like pink. And kind of orange a bit. Okay. The 3 blushes here, I don't know. With the pink one, yeah, I can definitely get to work. The middle one, probably too, but that Gemini color, by the way, the light pink one is Lezola. The middle one is XOXO, and then Gemini is the kind of orangey one. We'll have to see. I'm not a big orange blush person, truthfully. Mostly I go with pinks, but not even like that pink like that one over there. I generally go for like more rosy pink, as you can see. But well, that'll be fun. That's what I'm saying. It'll be fun. Okay, let's see what is next in here. Okay, got a box that's from Virus, I don't know. It's Bitter Green Essence Toner. Let's pull this out. Ooh, that's a huge bottle. Plastic bottle, and it is green. And I don't know what the end like letter on this is. Here, I'll show you the outside of it. It doesn't really look like a letter, but let's see what it smells like. That's fine. Oh, there may be something on it. I'll fight the toner later. Actually. Ha! I got it. Ah, it's got kind of a little herbally smell to it. Doesn't smell super strong. Yeah, I kind of like it. Yeah, it's a little on the herby side. I guess it makes sense. It's a bitter green essence. So that's a herbish kind of thing, I guess. But it smells really good. I normally use the like Pixie Glow Tonics. So it'll be interesting to test out a new toner. Okay. What else is in here? Oh, something from Folly Fire, which I've actually have something from them before. In fact, I have one of the matte lipsticks. So I wonder if I already have one of these. Oh well, I'll figure it out later. For that reason, I'm not going to swatch any of them. We'll just look at the actual bullets. Yeah, they're bullets. So I know I have one from them because it's got this like, it's angled here with the Folly Fire like little logo thing there. Okay, so this one is in the color Sunset Boulevard, which I think is the one I actually have, which is kind of a pinkish color. Like a rosy pink. This one is in the color Here to Slay, which I'm gonna guess it's red by the bottom shade. And oh, yep, that is red. On the camera it looks a little bit more corally, but it's red in person, I promise. Bright red, in fact. And our last color, so this is a set of 3 lipsticks. Kind of an interesting thing. This one is called Full House, and it's quite a dark one. So we have a like rosy pink that you could wear every day, a nice bright red, and then this dark purplish color here. But that's fun. I remember liking the color I have, and like I said, I think I have Sunset Boulevard, but since I like it, I don't know why I wouldn't like more of them. I've been wearing a lot more liquid lipsticks and lip glosses recently, and not the bullets, but I'll try getting back into that. Okay, so our next product in here is actually from Laura Geller, and I opened this, and then my camera stopped working, and the box is now gone. I have no idea where it went. It's somewhere in here, but it is a Line and Define liner, and it is actually a black liner and a gold liner. So the black one here is like a big felt tip marker here. And the gold side is actually a kohl liner, which I love kohl liners, So I'm pretty happy with this. I will probably actually try this. I am a little intimidated by just how giant this side is though. Like that's a lot. But we'll test it out and we'll see how it works. So I'll break my no new eyeliner rules by trying out this. This is definitely different than just a regular black eyeliner. So I think it fits. Okay. We're on to our last product. And I saw this in here and I was like, really? But we'll see. So BoxyCharm sent me a bag. It even has BoxyCharm embossed on it there. Look at that. It says BoxyCharm. It's got these little like pom-poms. It's a jelly bag, which is funny because this month's Ipsy bag is also the similar kind of like plasticky material that smells very strongly of plastic. So yeah, so BoxyCharm decided they were going to be Ipsy this month and sent us a bag. Well, I'm going to put all the products actually in this bag instead of in the one that it's the box that it came in, because that's a mess. But with that, I think I am at the end of my list of products. Let's add everything up. So I got my little card here. Got my card here. Let's see. The first thing on here is I moved it. I moved everything. I put them all somewhere else. The first thing is actually our Manny MUA Morphe palette, which is $20, which makes sense. Morphe is not a, I mean, they're known as a pretty affordable, like, drugstore price brand. So that's not particularly surprising. Our next thing is, oh my god, this Biro. The last letter is apparently an E. Biro Bitter Essence Toner is $95. Here, I'll show you. This is my Pixie toner. It was $12. Like, that's a lot. That's an expensive toner. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, my set of Follyfire lipsticks is our next one, which is the Matte Manipulation Trio, is $39.99. That's kind of high for a bullet lipstick, but at the same time, that's okay. Next up is our Laura Geller Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner, which is $24. Sounds about right for Laura Geller. Up next, it's over here, is the Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Blush and Shine Kit, which is $42 for these, like, 6 pans, at least one of which I'm going to have issues using, so that's kind of a lot there. And then the last thing in here is the BoxyCharm bag, which brings me to a total of 6 products. Okay, let me actually put those in my calculator to see what the cost or the actual value of this box is. Okay, added all together, this box is $240.99. Well, $200 plus over what the cost of the actual box itself is. Do I still think that this is a weird addition? Yes. Yes, I do. Will I probably put stuff in it? Yeah, probably. This is definitely my overpriced product of the month thing. Some of the other things are higher priced, but that's a lot for toner. A lot for toner. But other than that, I mean, I'm excited to use some of these products, especially this gold, like, kohl liner side of the Laura Geller one, and interested to actually test out a Morphe product, something I didn't have to purchase from Morphe myself, but yeah, so I'm interested. I'm glad it was the Manny MUA collab. I like him better than a lot of their collaborators, so that works out well there. That brings me to the end here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're here, if you could hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and turn on post notifications so you always know when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!